All right, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. I just pressed the button and that's what happened today. So anyway, okay, lesson 10. We are visualizing here, constructing three-dimensional figures using nets. And all a net is sorry about that. It's a flat surface, all right, that can be folded up into a particular shape. So vocabulary words here. There it is, nets. It's a two-dimensional figure that can be folded into a three-dimensional solid. So, for example, these are example of nets because some of these can be folded up to be made into cubes. For example, this first guy could. All right. If this is the bottom, this folds up to become the left. This folds and becomes over on the top of it. This is the the back of it. That's the front of it. And then when it folded up, then this would become the right hand. So again, definitely working on our visual skills here. Other ones in there. C will do that as well. Let's see here. I believe E does. Let's see here. So that'd be the left. That would be the bottom. That would be the front. That would make it the right, which would make this guy the top, which would then end up folding over, and that would make that behind it. So yeah, E is one as well. Hey, see what else you can see there. All right, we can talk more about that. But again, as long as you can find a few of them, that's good. Okay, so vocabulary. Face is a flat surface. All right. An edge is where faces meet. Here's the big thing: is they look like line segments. Vertex, where edges meet, they look like a point. Another word you could use here is corners. All right, they are the corners of the particular shape. So let's see here. Match the 3D shape with its net. This guy here turns out to be it's a cone. All right, circle the bottom and then the cone shape that wraps around it. Can't think of a better word there. What else we got here? This end turns out to be it turns out to be a cube. Kind of looks like a rectangular prism, but because we have all squares everywhere, that's why it is a cube. This guy right here, this is a cylinder. Yeah, letter A. We've got circles on the top and the bottom, and what wraps around it actually is a rectangle. This particular guy, this is it's a pyramid because it's going to be wrapped with triangles. And that's one of the big things that we're going to see, wrapped with triangles. And then because the shape of the base is a square, that's why it's a square pyramid. All right. Same idea, wrapped with triangles, and it's got a triangle for a base, so triangular pyramid, which means, and this is the one we want to become familiar with because we're going to see this one a lot, your triangular prism. Prism because it is wrapped with rectangles, and then triangular because the two bases are triangles over there. We'll get more specific into our namings of them. That's kind of what we end up doing here. So let's see what we got here. Prism or pyramid. Well, again, all prisms, all right, are wrapped in rectangles. So when you see lots of rectangles, that's a hint. All right, so we got ourselves a prism here because it is wrapped in rectangles. All right, you can see them all right there. The shape of the base, so here we go. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape, so it is a pentagon. So when we name it, we have ourselves a pentagonal, and then it is a prism. So we kind of combine those ideas together. It's just the endings we have to watch for sometimes. So let's see here. This time, all prisms are wrapped in rectangles. Here, all pyramids, all right, they are wrapped in, no, not bacon, all right, no, it's not bacon there. What are all pyramids wrapped in? They are wrapped in, what do you see there? They're wrapped in triangles. All right, so do we have ourselves a prism or a pyramid? Well, hey, look at all the triangles we've got. So it is a pyramid. The shape of the base, who's there in the middle? It is a square. So who do we have here? That makes it a square pyramid. All right. So again, lots of naming going on here. So here's what I kind of want you to do is, pause it, for a moment there. See if you can name the next one. If you can kind of skip it. If you're that frustrated, just skip it there. But don't let it get down. All right. Think you can do that?
How about no?
I think you can. Give it a shot. All right. So hopefully you filled in a few answers there and you just didn't continue to let play. Yeah, some you did. Okay. Prism or pyramid? Well, I see the rectangles, so it is a prism. Shape of the base? I see two of the exact same, so it is triangle, and that makes it a triangular prism. All right. Next guy here, prism or pyramid? Well, I am wrapped in triangles there, so it is a pyramid. Shape of the base, there it is. One, two, three, four, five, 6 sides, so that makes it a hexagon. So that makes it all together a hexagonal pyramid, yes. And again, we are kind of combining those two particular ideas that we have together. So let's see who else is here. All right. Oh, that's it? Oh my goodness, you've got to be kidding me. That's all? Okay, so big thing here is vocabulary. All right. Your faces, edges, vertices. Oh, I know what we wanted to do. Hold on one second. Come on back here. Come on back here. All right. As we kind of look at your particular shapes that you've got, I know what we wanted to end up doing here is we wanted to kind of look at some of these guys that we've got. Actually, you know what? Nope, we're doing the rest in class. Hey, that's it, people. You're done. All right. Change of plans. I know. Good. What a pleasant surprise, huh? All right.